Ciao ragazzi! After such a long time in the kitchen, today I need a Negroni and I'm going to show you how to make it. So to make the perfect Negroni, you need equal part of dry gin, Campari and red vermouth. So we start to put the ice and 25 milliliter of gin, same 25 milliliter of Campari, and to finish, the red vermouth. We're gonna mix it all together. And just to finish, a nice fresh slice of orange. Here we have your perfect Negroni. Salute ragazzi. That's perfect. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cocktails.